Rakhi. Learn to make Rakhi for Rakshabandhan. Materials: satin ribbon, colored paper for the base, any color of wool, glue, ruler, pencil, 2 colors of glitter foam sheets, colored stones for decoration. Take the wool and keep tying it around your forefingers 26 times. The thread would be of 155 inches. Tie a knot in the middle as shown. Cut a thread from both sides as shown. Spread the threads to make it look like a flower. Cut the thread to shape the flower. Place the woolen flower on the colored paper. Draw a circle around the flower. Then cut it. Make a circle on the glitter sheet, smaller than the flower. Make a smaller circle on another glitter sheet. Cut both the circles. Paste the smaller circle on the bigger circle. Stick the colored stone on the small circle. Measure 14 inches on the satin ribbon and cut it. Apply glue on the colored paper. Paste the satin ribbon. Then paste the woolen flower. Stick the glitter circle to the threads.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from Planet E.